Everybody knows the guitar, also most people know it's a reproduction of the human figure and the chakras and so forth, this way around, and most musical instruments are. But there was a Swedish man, a very distinguished Swedish musician, who in the last century made a discovery about taking a certain point and a certain line and dividing it into a number here and connecting them, and that gave every one of the 13 frets. But a mathematician, so-called friend of his, did it mathematically, and he rubbished it. But his mathematics was wrong, and for at least 100 years, this poor guy who found this profound little diagram, he was rubbished in his own lifetime. So I got hold of it, and I'll be rubbished, no doubt. If you then take the distances he did, which is here the bridge, and here and I took these and I put it into a circle, and then I put a 5-pointed star into that circle, and then I divided the edge of the 5-pointed star into 15, which is a number of the fives, and 13 of those 15 actually give exactly the position of the frets. I'm following the original man's discovery. One goes beyond there, and one goes beyond here. These are going into the beyond sound symbol. So very simple 5-pointed star can be constructed to show how mathematically the frets of a guitar work. This kind of very simple information may help people, much as the ancients in Greece. They said the universe is structured on musical principles. And in a funny sort of way, we often use the phrase when we're here, when suddenly realizations are made, we say we were tuned in at that point. We use that metaphor, and it's a very apt one when we know something's in tune, and when we're in tune with the environment.
Is this in some way where geometry meets harmonics?
Absolutely, yes. Well, they all meet each other, and in a funny sort of way, as they're all interpenetrated, but, which is part of the mystery. Why are there different subjects? Which is just as much the same mystery. Why are there different people?